We're here outside Collegetown Plaza. You can see the main entrance in front of us. Our office is where the blue sign is up to the left. I wanted to show you the unique location of apartments 1B and 1C. We're going to see 1C right now. That's a 2-bedroom apartment. Their entrance is over here on the side. So you can see that it's separate entrance from the main entrance to Collegetown Plaza. You do have your own entry right here. So that will, you'll have a tag that will unlock the door. So you have a private entrance just for these 2 apartments right here, 1B and 1C. We're going into 1C. This is the 2-bedroom apartment. This is a great apartment. So as you can tell, it's a ground floor apartment here at the entry, right on Dryden Road. So we do have ground floor level windows here from the living room. We have some unique features in this apartment that we don't have in the other units here in Collegetown Plaza. First, we've got this nice air conditioner over the living room window here. So that's nice to have. And let's go on in and take a look. We've got our sofa, you can see our tables, dining table and chair, another easy chair, TV here on the wall. And let's go take a look at this kitchen. I like this kitchen layout. We've got the refrigerator, there's the elevated microwave, cabinets and drawers, sink, dishwasher, stove, and oven. So this is a great kitchen space. Let's take a look around so you can see the whole thing. That's a heater there, and so you can see there are those windows. So it's nice and bright. This is great people watching. If you like to see what's going on in Collegetown, who's walking around in the neighborhood. Let's take a look over here. This door right here is a closet. This is a unique feature to this apartment. There are no other 2 bedrooms in Collegetown Plaza that will have a hall closet like this. So you can see we've got that great storage space in here for boxes, luggage, suitcases, winter coats, things like that. Let's take a look in the bathroom. This is another unique feature here. This is the largest bathroom that we have in a 2-bedroom, not only in Collegetown Plaza, but in any of our units. So let's take a look inside. We've got that nice vanity over here with the mirror and the sink and cupboard space underneath. And then as we go in, there's, oh, that opens as well. I think that's like a little medicine cabinet. And then as we go in, you can see here's the toilet, and this is a great shower stall. So we've got a nice standing shower in here. So this is a nice bathroom, larger, a lot of floor space you can see in here compared to our other bathrooms. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. We'll go into room 1 first. So here's room 1. Now, because these are on the back side of the apartment, these are not at ground level. The bedrooms are not ground level. We are in the hilly part of Collegetown, so we are above ground level. It is that hilly here in the neighborhood. Let's take a look. Here's another unique feature as we go on in. These 2 rooms have lighted closets. You may have noticed that in the hall closet, but lights within the closet, that's unique to this apartment. This is a great closet space, so good amount of room. The bedrooms will have the furnishings that you've seen before, the dresser, the desk and chair, the bookshelf. Here's another unique feature in this apartment. Both of these bedrooms have an air conditioner. This is unique to 1C. The other 2-bedroom apartments here in Collegetown Plaza do not have bedroom air conditioners. 1C has the bedroom air conditioners. Let's go in room 2. This is the 2nd bedroom, slightly bigger than the room we were just in. And again, you can see out the window, we are in a dense area of Collegetown, so we do have buildings around us on all sides, but again, we are not at ground level here off the bedrooms, just the living room space. So room here, and we'll take a peek in that closet as well as we go over. So another lighted closet. That's just a fun, unique feature that is available here in 1C. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 1C. This is a 2-bedroom apartment here in Collegetown Plaza at 111 Dryden Road. You can see up at the corner, that's the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And from there, of course, we are just 1 block to campus. So a great location. Your key tag will allow you entry into the main part of Collegetown Plaza. That's where you can use the fitness room, the post boxes, the trash and recycle area is down there. and the laundry is within the main part of the building. So Collegetown Plaza apartment 1C, a unique and special 2-bedroom apartment here in this building located at 111 Dryden Road, right in the heart of Collegetown.